In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download messages from Webex. This process is straightforward and will help you retrieve important messages from your meetings. Let's get started and make sure you have everything you need to follow along. First, launch Webex on your device. This can be done on either a desktop or a mobile device, depending on what you prefer. Once you find the Webex application, click to open it. If you are using a web version, navigate to the Webex site in your browser. This initial step is crucial because it gets you into the environment where all your meetings and messages are stored. If you are prompted to log in, please enter your credentials. This ensures that your account is secure and allows you to access all your meeting information. Next, click the Meetings tab from the left sidebar. You will see a navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This menu is designed to help you quickly access different features within Webex. By selecting the Meetings tab, you will be directed to a list of your past and upcoming meetings. This step is important because it organizes your meetings in one place so you can easily find the session you need. Look for the meeting you want to download messages from. Once that is done, locate your concluded call session and select Meeting Recap. The Meeting Recap provides a summary of everything that happened during the meeting. It typically includes details like the participants, duration, and any shared files. This information is vital for reviewing what was discussed and for ensuring that you have all the relevant notes captured. Clicking on this option will take you to the detailed view, which contains all the chat messages exchanged during the meeting. Now look for the Chat Messages sub-tab. This is where all the messages that were sent during your meeting will be listed. If text files were preserved by your browser session, you should see a small link here. This link is crucial as it allows you to download the timeline folder directly into your local storage. It's a simple click that ensures all your chat messages are saved for future reference. By downloading these messages, you can keep a record of important information shared during the meeting. After that, simply click on the link to download the messages. This action will prompt your device to save the messages to your local storage. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a confirmation message indicating the file is downloading. This step is essential because it finalizes the process and ensures that the messages are securely stored on your device for later access. With the messages now downloaded, you can open the folder where they are saved. You will see the timeline of your chat messages, which may be in a text format. This makes it easy to review any important points discussed during the meeting. You can also share this document with others who may need access to the information. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you won't have to sift through numerous messages in the app. In conclusion, downloading messages from Webex is a simple process that can help you keep track of important discussions. Remember to launch Webex, navigate to your meetings, and download the chat messages. Following these steps ensures that you always have access to the information you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future meetings.